Have you ever felt how repeating a single pattern can make you feel calmer? Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Veena Yelamanchili. I'm a landscape architect, and I'm also a mandala artist and an educator. I've loved art for as long as I can remember. Growing up, I was always drawing, experimenting, and trying out different styles just for fun. In 2018, I drew my first ever mandala, and 2020 became a turning point for me. Over the years, I've been learning more about Islamic geometry, florals, and sacred patterns, and mandala has stayed at the center of my work. I really enjoy mixing different art forms and finding ways to bring them together through mandala. For me, mandala art isn't just about drawing patterns. It's slow, calming, and very mindful. It helps me slow down and stay present. This channel is where I share that process with you. Here you'll find simple tutorials, workshops, and step by step explorations. Whether you're new to art or you're already creating, this space is meant to feel calm and welcoming. If you enjoy mandalas, patterns, geometry, and creating mindfully, I'm really happy you're here. Thank you for being a part of this space.